A quick trip to Kurseong with Ganga, some delicious momo. मिठो भयो गंगा फ्रेन्डशिप डेको मोमो catching up and chatting with our dear friends. Mr. Dipen Compass. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे आज आते जना
एरोमिक फ्लेभर दिन्छ हैन एउटा एकदम सेन्सेसनलाई सब ब्ल्याक बेक गराइदिन्छ
This was a much needed break that lifted our spirits and hopefully give us energy and strength to take on another week.